So I'm going to do a review of the Ove Sydney Frameless Sliding Shower Door from Lowe's. I've been wanting this door for an extremely long time. By the way, I do apologize for the glare from this light fixture. I had been wanting this shower door for quite a while. However, when I first started looking at it, it was approximately $850, and they finally dropped the price down to $700. $700 for the chrome. Now, yes, I did go with chrome, and I do have a brushed nickel here and here. However, I really don't think it's too noticeable. The best thing about this door is the fact that it's pretty much just all glass. You really don't notice any of the chrome. Now that I've told you guys, you may notice. And I'm a pretty picky guy when it comes to differences, and this surprisingly does not bother me. The reason I went with that is because it is 10% more in cost to get it in brushed nickel. I thought that was a little outrageous, and I figured, what the heck, and I gave it a try. I love this door. It is probably the quietest opening door. It's without a doubt the smoothest. The door is extremely heavy. I believe everything in the box was around 200 pounds. This door carries a lot of momentum when you open it. For instance, you can just feel how heavy and smooth it is. I wish I could explain over video just how smooth it feels. In fact, your local Lowe's probably has one on display. Mine did, and that's what sold me, was actually getting to slide this door myself. I sometimes have concern over the weight. For instance, if there's a guest in my shower, I do have a stop. However, there's so much momentum, my biggest concern would be if somebody was, basically not as careful as anybody else, or basically if they opened this door too fast. My concern is that it could potentially knock tiles off the wall. It carries that much momentum. But overall, I love this shower door. It has made my bathroom feel twice as large. In fact, I have a video, telling you guys, you should definitely put up a glass shower door if you have a small bathroom. It's a major problem solver, and honestly, I feel like this door definitely paid for itself with the bathroom. I feel like this bathroom is worth twice as much in my home now, as opposed to originally having a curtain. Just showing off your shower, especially if you have some nice tile, it really helps. So, guys, I recommend the Ove Sydney Frameless Sliding Shower Glass Door.